Hello dear students, welcome to Social Science class. Today let us start Civics 11th lesson, Directive Principles of State Policy. In this lesson you have to understand the importance of direct principles of state policy and advantages of direct principles of state policy in establishing a welfare nation. Now let us start the lesson. First let us see the meaning of the directive principles of state policy. And the constitution has directed the state to follow some principles in order to get the ideal welfare state. So these directive principles are called as directive principles of the state. And the governments are expected to keep this principle in view while administrating the state. And these are the indicators for the holistic development of India. Now let us see the importance of the directive principles of the state policy. The directive principles of state policy are the direction given to the central and state government by the constitution. Constitution is giving some directions to the central and state government. That is known as the directive principles. And it is necessary to adopt these principles when they are doing the legislation, formulating and implementing the policies. And the directive principles of state policy are very important in achieving freedom, equality and brotherhood and establish the welfare of the state. And next, the directive principles of the state policy included in the constitution like this as following, like social justice. Social justice means to achieve the public welfare by providing social, economic and political justice to the citizens. Next one is social justice to the weaker sections. And according to this, this is providing basic needs to the weaker section and to find the solution for the economic exploitation and providing education and extending the free legal aid to the weaker section. Next one is women and child welfare and equal wages to the both the men and women for the same work and maternity benefit to the woman and prevention of exploitation of the children and facility for the children to grow healthy with the free and compulsory education. Next one is labor welfare. Looking after welfare of the labor and right to work and atmosphere and correct atmosphere for the working and minimum wages for the workers and providing them opportunity to participate in the administration. These are the main aim of the labor welfare. Next one is aid to the helpless and giving support for the helpless people. The government give help for the aged patients and the unemployed to live. Next one is uniform code of law to all. Everybody has same type of law to enforce uniform civil law to all the citizens. All the citizens are getting same type of law. Next one is prohibition of liquor. Drinking spoils the health. You all know that one, is it? It leads to the financial problems in the family and increasing the exploitation of women. Therefore, the Constitution has directed all the state government to enforce the prohibition of liquor. Next one is agriculture and association of animal husbandry. The state government should make an attempt to organize agriculture and animal husbandry in a modern and scientific manner. So, in order to protect the unique species and prevent the slaughter of the cattle, means sacrificing or killing the cattle and calf and other animals which give milk and pull heavy luggages. Next one is environment. Protection of environment and wildlife is another one. Protection of environment from the pollution of industries and mines, and protect the wildlife. Next one is protection of historical monuments, like protecting the historical places and monuments. For example, Hampi, Belur, Halebedu, Patrakalu, and other historical sites we have to protect. We should not destroy that one. It is another one. And 11th one is international peace and security. That is participation of the country in safeguarding the international peace and security. And the constitution has given certain advisories and direction to the state government for this, and in the event of violation of these principles, they cannot be questioned in the court. For example, the central government and several other state government could not enforce the prohibition of liquor for the last 6 decades. No one can question this as in a court, but that is our duty to do that one. And I hope you all understood this lesson. With this, I am concluding today's class. Next class, I'll send you notes. Thank you, students.